love watching cooking challenges. They're so funny. I want more watermelon. No way, not that. I'm out of watermelon. No, I ate everything. I want more. Ooh, the idea. I can have my own cooking challenge. Let's go. What? Whoa, watermelons. What should we do with them? I want a watermelon. Prepared for me. You're in my culinary challenge. Whoa, it's done, Brittany. I think I'll start. First, cut off the top of the watermelon. Just like that. Yes, that's it. We got to the pulp of the watermelon. It needs to be whipped with an immersion blender. I'm just like the chef. Miley, you need to be careful. I'm covered in watermelon. She stained my favorite holiday blouse. These are all your blenders. Oops, sorry, Grandma. But where was I? Whoa, I definitely need this. The same as the whole device with Skittles. It's great that all tastes are divided. I want to use each one for my watermelon. Let's see if you get my idea. I'm going to have a jelly watermelon with Skittles. Baby Brittany loves Skittles and watermelon, so why don't I combine them? We put every kind of Skittles in a watermelon. Ready. And now, you need to make a gelatin mixture so that the watermelon juice turns into jelly. I've already made gelatin and poured into the watermelon. It worked. But how do I cool it? Everything I need is in my backpack. Wow! Ooh, that's right. Miley won't mind if I borrow menthol Mentos, right? I don't think she'll ever notice. The fresh breath from the menthol Mentos should cool the jelly inside the watermelon. Wow, I suddenly became cold. Ooh. I'm getting chilly. The chef has come up with something again. I also got an idea. I'll make honey jelly and pour it into a watermelon. It will be delicious. I want to make jelly out of Hooba Booba. I have a lot of it.
Ew.
And now, here are Takis super spicy chips. Ooh, I've got an idea. I'll give them to Grandma. Grandma, do you want to try it? Oh, well, let's try. What's that? Oh, why is my tongue burning? Oh, my mouth is on fire! Oh yeah, Grandma, my plan worked, thank you! And it melted! You need to warn me about the side effects of the sweet, Smiley! Oh, Grandma, I'm sorry, but do you want a chocolate bar? Here you go. I forgive you, thank you for the chocolate. Now turn the bottle with Hooba Booba into a watermelon. And it turns out great, Grandma! What did you come up with? I'll make a watermelon with chocolate. My recipe is very simple. That's how my grandmother cooked it for me. You need to cut the watermelons, and now you need to try them, of course. Okay, we put the chocolate cream in there, but first we'll melt the chocolate. Then, when the chocolate is ready, we prepare everything for the filling. There's cream, melted chocolate in the bowl. Now, mix everything up. And while the chocolate cream turned out delicious, fill the watermelon with chocolate cream. Oh, what a delicious meal for Brittany. Try it. Wow, so many delicious things. Where should I start? My eyes are running away. Oh, that's right. I'll start with this watermelon. What's it? Chocolate cream? Oh, it's cool. I love it. I've never tried this before. What else is there? Let's see. Oh, that's right. Watermelon jelly? And there's a bunch of Skittles inside. It's so cool. I love it. Let's try this. Ugh, I don't like the peel. I need to get to the jelly. It's so delicious with my favorite candies. Ooh, let's see what my sister has prepared for me. Whoa, watermelon with some liquid bubblegum jelly. Oh, so delicious. Just amazing. I can blow a bubble out of the filling. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, yeah. It's decided. Miley wins. Are you serious? But I tried so hard. I can share the recipe. It's really delicious. Now I want pasta. I'm so hungry, and I can't eat watermelon anymore. Of course, baby. Let's get everything ready. I will use a special paste. This is cannelloni. They're very big and delicious. We put all the cannelloni in a round shape. Now we put a piece of cheese in each one. And it remains to grease the top with tomato paste to make it even tastier. Just like that. Oh, it's so beautiful already. But an idea came to me. I need more cheese. I want to grate cheese on top. Grandmothers have their own tricks too, you know? See how skillfully my jaw can grate this cheese? Perfectly. Better than a grater. Now I can definitely put the pasta in the oven. Okay. Has Grandma already prepared everything? It is immediately obvious that amateurs are in the cooking. And I, as a professional, will prepare the pasta dough myself. Moreover, I have a proven recipe from an Italian friend. The dough needs to be colored with food dye so that it becomes bright and colored. I want to make my own pasta with shrimp. Baby Brittany should appreciate this. Now the dough needs to be rolled out to a very thin layer. Cut the colored dough into equal stripes. Just like that. Great. Now we shape the dough into pasta. I have already prepared and rolled out a layer of ordinary dough with spread straps of colored dough on it. Now we roll out everything. Just like that. Oh, my favorite rolling pin. We spread the filling. I'm going to have shrimp. Just like that. And now we cut it into equal parts. Perfect. Of course, now we have to make this look like it's candy. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And the pasta's ready. Let's put it on the plate. And the sauce in the middle. I'm done. Did you miss me? My pasta is ready. Oh, look how lovely it turned out. While I was carrying it from the oven, I almost ate it myself. Wiley, baby, what have you done? Well, I need to boil some water. And it's done. And now we take instant noodles, pour all the spices into it, and pour boiling water over everything. The only thing left is to mix and serve Brittany. It's ready. Oh my god, how delicious everything looks! Where should I start? Ooh, look at that. These are like candies. Let's put them in the sauce and try. They're delicious. But wait, no, they taste terrible. I don't like it. Let's try what's here. Ooh, Chinese noodles. It should be delicious. Let's try it. How delicious. Ooh. But it's spicy! Spicy! That's too much! I don't want to eat such spicy food anymore. Oh, it looks delicious. Let's try it. Oh my god. It looks like a cake almost. Whoa. The smell is just incredible. And it's so stretchy and delicious. Ooh. I definitely give the victory to Grandma. Really? Hooray, the victory is mine. I'm so glad. I've already finished drawing. I'll show you now. I wanted chocolate. Oh my god. A cool dish. Finally, I'll be happy to make chocolate for my little sister. I even have the right mold. There is a heart-shaped mold, and it's so sweet. And we put M&Ms in each heart. And now we put a marmalade bear in each heart. Oh, just like that. Now I pour sparkling caramel on top. It's going to be very tasty. Now pour Nutella into each mold. I love it. Brittany loves it too. And she'll like my chocolate. Here's some Nutella. And here. And there. More Nutella. Now we send everything to freeze in the refrigerator. Look at my cute fridge. See you soon. Aw, baby, how lovely. Good job. I've always figured out that you'll do everything for Brittany. To begin with, send different chocolates to the oven. Turn up the temperature and keep it in the oven a little so that the chocolate melts. This time, I will chop the berries. Cut fresh berries just like that. Strawberries, blueberries, everything is so delicious and very healthy. Ooh, the chocolate has melted. Let's take it out. Now use a knitting needle to mix all the chocolate together. Oh wow, how beautiful. It's also delicious. We put that away. Now add strawberries and blueberries to the chocolate. I will get not only delicious but also healthy chocolate with berries for her. Great, everything is ready.
Well, it's time for me to show you what's really delicious chocolate look like. Look what happened to mine. It is a porous turquoise chocolate. I painted in flute sequences so that it shines beautifully. It's amazing. An idea came to me, and I want to depict the ocean and the beach on this beautiful chocolate. We'll make a kind of foam from the waves of white chocolate sprinkled with sugar and add some shells. A couple of more details. And it's almost done. Now we take the second chocolate bar and cover it in peanut butter. Carefully smear all the chocolate. And now cover with the second chocolate bar. Handmade chocolate is ready.
Cool! And I almost forgot about my chocolates. I have everything ready. Let's jump to Brittany. Oh, this is my dream. A lot of chocolate. Everything is for me alone. Super. I'll start with these chocolates in the form of hearts. Wow. Is that how caramel explodes? Great. Now let's try this chocolate from Grandma. Ooh, it's almost like liquid. Wow. With berries too. Super delicious.
Yummy.
Let's see what this one has. Whoa, it looks like a beach. And it's also got peanut butter in it. I love it. Yummy. But I only need to choose one winner. What to do? Who is it? Okay, yeah, this chocolate wins. It's the best.
Yeah! I won, Brittany. Thank you. I'm the best. Have you heard? The best. Hi, Nancy. Are you hungry?
Yeah, I want a cake.
That's cool. Then your brother Ben, Chef, and Grandma will have to try their best.
I need strawberries. Let's put them in the blender and make a strawberry cake for my beloved granddaughter. Blending it up. Now we have strawberry puree. I'm adding it into the dough and mixing it. Chef, it's time for you to start.
Yeah, that's for sure. I need orange juice. There's no juicer at hand, so I'll use my powerful hands. What?
Now adding sugar. A lot to make it unrealistically sweet. What does it smell like? Ben?
Oh, yeah, I'll fix it now. Well, ready-made cake. I need it too. Mine is burnt. Great. Now I have cakes and cream cheese.
I finished making orange filling. Now we need… Hey, where are my cakes? Who took that? Oh, thief. Ben, did you take my cake?
No, Mr. Chef.
Are you lying to me?
Almost got caught. Great, let's continue. Ooh, I need cream cheese. It smells incredible. It's perfect for filling. And the last one.
Well, pouring orange syrup into the mold. Exactly half of it. Adding coconut milk to the other half. What? Oh, sorry. You've broken my coconut into 2 pieces. Oh, well, let's continue. My strawberry batter is ready. Now, time to make some pancakes. I'll make a delicious pancake roll. Baby will love it. We need some peanut butter, twisting it up, And look at those beautiful pancake roses. Oh, nice.
Whoa, it's so beautiful. Right, I have sweets. I'll make hands and feet out of Twix, eyes out of Skittles, and a smile. 2 ice cream cones? Whoa!
Newbie, I got a real jelly cake. The orange syrup frozen in the shape of a cake. Nice. And a little kitty. Grandma, what about you? I got a lovely pancake roll in the shape of a rose.
Wow! You tried so hard for me! Let's start with this one. I hope it's delicious. There's so much cream. That'll do. And my favorite Twix. I can't say no to that. But it's time to try another cake. Let's try this jelly one. Taking a spoon. It's like a kitty. Wow! Delicious! Let's try the cake too. It jumps so funny. I really like it. But it's too early to draw conclusions. We have a third cake. It's a rose from Granny. Wow! It's better than anything I've eaten before. It's hard to stop. Yummy! This is definitely the winner.
Wow! I told you I'd be the best.
I'm so hungry. I want a burger. Start cooking, please.
Where's my rolling pin? Oh, found it. We need to roll out the dough for future buns. It's so beautiful.
We put the burger buns to fry in a frying pan! Whoa! Well, my forehead and my buns are burnt! Oh! Oh, my hands! They're burned too!
It's too funny to watch little Ben try to cook. It's pathetic. Well, look at me. I'm gonna do an amazing burger. Here are some patties and a lot of bacon. My spatulas. I'm definitely a pro. Putting it on our huge bun. Adding some cheese. More of it. This is gonna be incredible. Mayonnaise over everything. Lots of tomatoes, some pickles. Pouring ketchup over everything. And covering with a bun. My mega burger is ready. It's for my little Nancy. Outrageous. I'll make a delicious burger. All the ingredients are already here. Let's collect it all together. Oh, done. Ben, is something on fire?
I'll fix it! Whoa! Let's pour some ketchup! I guess that's it.
It looks delicious. I can't believe my eyes. Ew. This looks weird. I'm not going to eat that. I'll start with a small burger. It looks very tasty. Let's see. Wow! I like it. Let's try a piece of a huge burger. It's so big. Unbelievable. I like it. We don't need to think here because this huge burger is very tasty. It's the winner. Thank you.
Yes! The victory is mine. Oh, sorry, Ben.
I came up with something. I want rolls. I'll be waiting for them. Make it delicious.
It's a piece of cake. First, cutting fish into small pieces. Let's make sushi. A bit of fish, a small amount of rice. Taking wasabi. It's very spicy. Let's sprinkle some Oopsies and seeds. Ugh. Wasabi. Oh, it's too spicy. Oh!
Oh my gosh, Chef!
It's my turn. Everything is simple here. Cutting avocado into small slices. Perfect. Now cutting fish. We take a sheet of nori next. This is a kind of, paper that makes rolls. A bit of rice on nori. Some avocado. Cucumber. And fish. Grandma always cooks with love. It remains to add sauce. I'll use the ranch dressing. It's very tasty. Oh, almost forgot. Let's add some hot sauce. Whoa, it's too spicy. A few drops. Well, everything seems to be ready. Let's pour some more nori on top.
It looks delicious, Grandma. I got an idea to make sweet rolls. I need marmalade ribbons. Next, we're using vanilla Nutella. And now, some gummies. Whoa! Let's cut it into smaller pieces next. Whoa! I think it's awesome! I would eat it myself. It remains to pour strawberry syrup to make it even tastier. This time it's definitely delicious. Try it, sis!
Wow! Cool rolls! This looks weird. It looks like a pie. Let's try it. Oh, how spicy! My whole mouth is on fire! I hate spicy food. Looks like sushi. Let's see. It's even spicier! Have you forgotten I hate it? What a nightmare! Last rolls left. I hope they won't be spicy. They look like gummies. Wow! It really is! This is a clear winner!
I've won! Yay! My first victory!
Well, I want waffles, just like in the picture.
It'll be done. I'm ready.
Whisk, shower, and that'll.
Delicious. Sorry.
But it's time to get down to business. I pour flour into a bowl, break 2 eggs, and of course sugar, a little milk and butter, and now we need to mix it all. Just like that. Watch and learn, Ben.
It would be something to learn from, right? Now I will pour the dough into bowls. Just like that. A little red dye and stir. Yeah, that's right. Do you want to compete in speed? Well, hold on. All my colored dough is ready. Now I'll just pour it on the waffle iron, alternating colors. It's time to bake my waffle. I love Nutella so much. What? Yes, his waffles is already ready. Oh, I need to come up with something. Exactly, Nutella. I'll add flour right into it. And milk in the same place. And I'll mix everything. Pour the dough into the waffle iron and you can bake. I'm sure the chocolate waffle will be in her taste. How do you like that? I should decorate my waffles. Dip them in chocolate. And then in rainbow sprinkles. Beauty. Wonderful.
Is this waffle? Here I have a real waffle with maple syrup and powdered sugar. And strawberries for decoration. My waffle is ready. Oh, they decorate them. I need to decorate them too, with Skittles. I'll decorate the waffles with sweets and turn out great. So cool. I wish I had some left. Come on, Betty. Wow, I don't even know where to start. With rainbow waffles, I think. What a smell. And so delicious. That's cool, Ben. Now a waffle from Kate. Sweets. And chocolate. An unusual combination. I like it. And of course, Grandma's waffles. I'm drooling. How delicious. I can't choose. They're all very tasty. I want to eat them. And Granny's waffles and rainbow and chocolate. Oh, just delicious. I want to eat them all. So good. Yummy. Betty, are you okay? And who won that? Aw, interesting. What are we cooking this time? Almost done. Here, I want a chicken leg. Easy. Wait, where do I get it? Ah! Take it away, take it away! Whatever you say, darling, but I'm going to cook it. Now, I'm going to rub it with some oil. Add some seasoning. Just on top of it, like that. I'll cut some apples. Just like this. What a smell. I'll put it inside. And put other pieces just around my chicken. Just like that. Let's put it in the oven. What? Granny already did everything? I think I have an idea. I'll take the spicy chips and add hot sauce to them. Now you need to stretch everything. Yes, that's what you need. And my chicken breading is ready. Chicken leg, it's your turn. Shake up. Wonderful. So beautiful. It's almost ready. Just going to the baking tray. Who cooks like that? Look how it should be done. Sprinkle with different seasonings and rub them into the leg. Just like this. And now, I'm going to fry these legs in my grill pan. The main thing is to make sure that they don't burn. Golden, just like this. Whoa, Grandma, didn't waste any time here. The chicken is ready. A couple of slices of oranges and a decoration on the legs. I understand this one. Kate, mind your own dish. Well, that's fine. My legs will be cooler. I'll just lick my fingers here. Oh, something's going on. So spicy! Whoa, not a joke. My legs are ready. The only thing left is to put them in a branded basket. Perfect roasting. And I will serve them at the fountain. Just add cheese and voila. Oh yeah, cheese fountain. Betty, I hope you appreciate it. Bon appetit. Wow, everything is so different. Is that a cheese fountain? Let's start with it. I'll dip it in the sauce. It looks so cool. Wow, and it tastes incredible. Chicken or legs? Chicken or legs? I'll start with legs. Looks tasty as well.
but they're, so sharp. Oh no, so spicy. I need some other chicken. It worked out, but Grandma's chicken is just so good. I'll try the leg. It smells good. Whoa, Grandma, it's incredible. You definitely won. I don't care about manners. The chicken is so delicious.
Yes, you can't beat Granny, losers. What do you think is going to be this time?
I want French fries. Can you do it?
It's a piece of cake for me.
Grandma will figure it out. Ouch, my old bones. Even I can handle it. I'll cut the potatoes. Hey, is this knife stuck? Get down. Oh! Ouch! That wasn't me. It's Grandma.
What? Don't distract Grandma. What could be better than just some pieces of potato toast? I'll put them in a pot, pour oil on them, and sprinkle them with my seasonings. And a sprig of rosemary won't hurt. I'll carry it, or no, I'll carry it. Calm down, both of you will help me.
Now I'll show you what my professional cooking alliances are capable of. A couple of spins and the potato turned into a spiral. Have you ever seen that? Now we'll just fry it in the boiling oil. And I'm done with the slicing. Now we'll stuff everything into the toaster. Plunge and bang! Ooh, the main thing is to catch everything. Oops, I missed a little. I'll collect it now. That's it. Just like at McDonald's. Oh, this one seems to be mine.
My potato is baked. And what a flavor it has now. The only thing left is to pour cheese sauce. That's it.
Ugh, so lame. That's how you need to serve potatoes to the table. And the barbecue sauce fits much better. Stop it. The best sauce is ketchup. Come on, Betty, prove it to them. Hooray, hooray! So many potatoes! I'll start with this one. It's just like in the picture. I'll pour ketchup on it. It smells like McDonald's. So cool! And the taste too! So good! Now Grandma's potatoes. How much sauce? Not bad, but not exactly what I wanted. Ooh, what is this? It looks unusual. What does it taste like, I wonder? Let's dip it in the sauce. And taste it. Wow, it's incredibly delicious! Ben, you're a cooking genius. Oh yeah, I'm the best. I mean, thank you.
Now we're making 3 floors. It's perfect. Yeah, this is a nightmare. My Labubu will live in the best house possible. I'm ordering it. Faster!
We're bringing the house down. Almost there.
Oh no, Labubu, be careful! Awesome. Let's start decorating it. I want the whole house to be pink and fluffy. Oh, Labubu. It's incredible. Cutting out the window. How do you like it? Hello? Wait. We can decorate it now. Wait a little. You'll see everything for yourself. Nice. This is very lovely. Oh no! Rose is already decorating the house.
Well, I'm not worse either. Taking cardboard and cutting it. Now I'm gonna paint it. I want my house to be bright and beautiful. We've got multicolored rectangles. Gluing it onto the walls. How cute! My Labubu is helping me as well. Wow! And what about Rose? What is that? I've got a disco party here. Let's dance. By the way, this disco ball is so beautiful. Check out my roof now. Wow! Oh, no. I need to move on to decorating my house as well. Look what I'm gonna do. Wow! It's so beautiful! Gluing it onto the roof. It's so colorful now. Labubu, what do you think? You like it. I'm happy. Now, let's decorate the rooftop. Oh, a portrait. I'm going to have a huge portrait too. That's much better. Girls, this looks incredible. These houses are different. Well, I already know what to do with the front yard. Gluing together some pencils. Nice. We have a colorful and durable fence. Let's install it. And my Labubu will dig up ground so that I can plant some trees and flowers. Planting the first seed. Whoa! What's happening? Trees are growing. Adding some color. Wow! Labubu, have you seen that cheap courtyard? I'll do better. Pure gold, a carpet. Ugh, everything is so expensive. Even a fountain. Decorating everything with flower bushes. Whoa! Rose! Everything is so expensive and rich. But whatever. I'm starting with the first floor. Look at this egg packaging. Cutting out the right parts. Now, coloring it. Drawing some faces. Whoa! Look at that! This is perfect decor. I'm attaching it to the walls. A beautiful couch. Some shelves. Whoa! Everything looks so cozy. I hope you like it. We are going to have a fireplace here. Let's light it up. Oh no! Everything is on fire! What should we do? No way! My house is on fire! Let's put it out! Awesome! I did well! Whew. Wow! Labubu, you're so brave! Let's move on. Whoa! My Labubu looks pleased. She likes this royal renovation. I'm happy. And now I need this magazine. It's so bright. Wait, let's cut a few parts out. I have a genius idea. Putting it all over the paper. Whoa! That's a beautiful wall. And what do we have here? I'm gonna use some spray paint. It's black.
Almost done. Oops. Oh, sorry, Labubu. I didn't do it on purpose. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that. A toilet. A shower, of course. Whoa. I love it. Everything is much more bougie here. Just look at that. A golden toilet. Moving on to the 3rd floor. What is my Labubu doing? A fashion show. I know what to do. We will have a dressing room, putting a rack of clothes, and a fitting room. Whoa! Labubu, you can organize your own fashion shows. You can invite friends and show off your new outfits. Everyone is thrilled. My Labubu has an amazing taste. How wonderful! Everyone admires me. Whoa! I got you. Something is wrong? Oh, yes. I know what to do. Look at my new outfit. This one is much better. I'm so beautiful. Rose, thank you for this gift. A wonderful dressing room. Whoa! I know what my Labubu will get. But I need help. Grandma? Oh, you're here.
How can I help you? Oh, don't you worry. We'll set up everything now. To begin with, a beautiful carpet. Nice. Wait a little. A few more movements and we've got a beautiful bed.
Wow, Grandma!
I know. I'm very good at knitting.
How cool! I like everything that's in here. So cute! And look at my outfits! What do you think? Rate the coolest one in the comments down below. Whoa! I've got a fit for Christmas too! Girls, you did a great job.
Baking my little sister's Barbie. Oh, I hope Grandma doesn't see. Hi, Grandma.
Oh, Zach, you're such a good boy. Your cheeks are so pretty.
What happened to this doll? Zach, did you do this?
I have an idea. Make me a dinosaur dish.
Of course. I even know what to do. I want to make a cake. Little Tyra will definitely appreciate it. Let's start with the cream and the cakes. Let's assemble the cake itself. And it's important to put plenty of cream between the layers. Now we cut off all the excess. Very carefully. Great. Next, let's cover the top with green cream. We need to level everything evenly. I'm going to do this using a spatula. Oh, how beautiful. Now we add details from the mastic. The tail, the legs, the face, and we make details from the cream on top. It looks like a real baby dinosaur. Great, right?
Oh, this is perfect. And I decided to make a dinosaur-shaped biscuit. We squeeze the biscuit from the dough. Next, fill it with colorful icing. Red, then green, and white. Let's put it in the oven, and it looks so beautiful. Zach, how about… What kind of monster is this?
Grandma, why are you screaming? I was scared myself. It hurt. did you hit me? Okay, I must have imagined it. I need Nutella. Pour Nutella over the mask. Just like that. A lot of it. Next we take M&Ms. And decorate the mask with candies. Ooh yeah. Now let's add some Oreos. The cookies look so delicious. We put it instead of ice. I've got it. I'll be back in a minute.
Jack, where are you going? That's strange. Tyra, try it, honey.
Whoa, there's a lot of delicious things here. Let's start with the cookies. Let's try them. Mmm, so yummy. But they're too boring. Wait, what's this? Oh, it's a cake. I love cakes. Let's try it. Oh, so delicious. And now let's try the last dish. Ooh, Oreos. Mmm, they're delicious. Now let's try the rest. Ah, dinosaur!
Arr, I'm an evil, destructive dinosaur. I will destroy everything in my path.
Grandma, save me, save me! Oh no, I've run out of chocolates. How is that? Wait, is that my Barbie? How did the chef get it? Okay, make me a Barbie-themed dish.
We need to think.
Give me a second. Oh, I know. Let's start with the dough. Flour, sugar, eggs, and milk. And mix it all together. Now we have a perfect dough. We can cut out circles from it. Just like that. And remove the center. Turn on the oven and put it in. What? Why are you looking at me like that? Oh, I couldn't get it in the oven. Oh no.
Well, I've decided to make a burger. First, we'll cook the patty. Let's fry it. Oh, it smells delicious. Let's assemble the burger. Now, we'll use the bun, lettuce, tomatoes, patty, cheese, and Barbie's pink sauce. My little Tyra will appreciate it. We'll add more lettuce on top of the sauce and finally cover it with a pink bun.
Whoa, I still haven't come up with anything. What should I do? I know. I've got a devious idea. Everyone knows the Grimace shake from McDonald's. So let's put a Barbie sticker on it. Top it up with whipped cream. Just like that. And we'll definitely add sprinkles. Inserting a straw, and my sister won't even realize she's drinking a Grimace shake. I've got everything ready. I'm back. The sponge cake is ready. I even managed to make 2 of them. Now we drizzle the sponge cake with pink Nutella. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Next, we pour the blue jelly into the center. Mmm, how delicious. It looks just like a real pool. Now let's add some details. Such as a palm tree, a staircase, a beach umbrella, and an inflatable ring. It's perfect. What do you think?
Whoa, that's amazing.
I've got an evil idea. I need my sister's Barbie. Put only half of it right here, and the rest is fish. Now let's send our mermaid to swim. Try it, Tyra. Whoa, you did all this for me? And there's Barbie here. Whoa, wait, is this fish or is she a mermaid? Ew, I'm not even going to try it. Oh, look at that pink burger. Now that's delicious. All that's left is to wash it down with a Barbie cocktail. Wait, that's a Grimace shake.
Oh, no, no! I'm going to explode!
Whoa. Yay, it worked! I want McDonald's. Let's go!
Okay, I have fries ready. Let's open it. Oh, I spilled everything. Grandma, I'm sorry. You should be more careful, Tyra. It wasn't intentional. We put the french fries in the toaster, and now we're waiting. Grandma, what did you come up with? Well, I've decided to make nuggets, my dear. Now we dip them in the flour, then in the egg, and in the breadcrumbs. Fry them in the pan on both sides until they turn golden perfect. Oh, yes. Chef, how do you like my nuggets?
It looks good, but I'm going to make it better. I'll have a big, juicy cheeseburger.
It really looks good. Oh, it smells burned. It's time to get the fries. There's a lot of them. Bon appetit, Zach.
Wow! Whoa, you did it so quickly. There's so much delicious food here.
Have you seen our dishes? Wait, are they already with Zach?
How cool. I would start with french fries. What's this? Oh, it's nugget super. No. It's really delicious. What's left? Oh, a burger. It looks something I'll definitely like. Oh yeah, let's try it. Delicious! I want to eat everything! Oh yeah, you've all done a great job.
What? It means that we've all won? Well, it's not in. Is that a Coke? But why is it so small? It's nonsense.
And I was luckier. A big bottle of soda. Wait a minute. What's Smiley got there?
What a huge bottle of soda! And it's all mine! I can't believe my luck!
Hey, Smiley, look at this Coke.
So tiny. Well, let's see what's inside. Such a small bottle. I hope it's something delicious. Oh, come on. I'm trying to squeeze it out, but it's so hard. Ooh. This is so delicious. It's jelly. Well, just too little. Okay, Kevin, it's your turn.
Well, it seems to me that I have an average bottle. Come on. Of jelly. Come out! Oh, why isn't it squeezing out? Well, if it doesn't work out this simple way, I've got to be smart. Oh, yeah. Let's squeeze it with this machine. Ooh, look at that. It's working. So good. So delicious. It was worth all the effort. I can't stop. Well, it's good that I'm done. Now it's your turn, Miley.
Well, what do we have here? Oh, it's so huge. I need to squeeze it out. Go on.
Oh, yeah. I didn't know that Miley was this strong. Whoa.
Come on! Oh, yeah, it worked.
We're fine, don't worry.
Oh, yeah. Look, I did it. So delicious. Wait, but so sour. Yeah.
Yeah, it was hilarious. Did you see her face?
Whoa, look at that tall package. Well, I've got an average one.
And I've got the smallest. Why was I so unlucky with chips? Okay, let me try. It's so delicious, though. I love it. It's so good and crunchy. Original is the best kind. Oh, yeah. But it's over now. Stop laughing. Nothing to laugh about. Come on, Miley.
Oh, yeah, I can't wait to try my chips. I really want to enjoy them.
Oh, Miley has such a huge bag. Why did I get such a small one? I really want
want some? Okay, she won't eat it all by herself, right?
So good.
What a yummy thing. Okay, I can't take it anymore. Got the chips.
What is it? Hey, give me my chips back, Kevin. Are you completely insane? How dare you steal them? I don't agree to this. Return it immediately or you'll regret it. Oh, you won't run away from me. What is it with this phone? Hey! What? Oh. There is a sauce on the bottom? Seriously?
Yeah, let's see.
Whoa, look at that!
That was true. Not all the life hacks on internet are false. Let's try with the sauce. So good. Let's see what Emily got.
Oh, what a hype package! Why is it so hard to get the chips? Oh well, I'll put it on the side. That's better. How delicious! I love chips. Oh, so good. But wait, what? They're running out so fast. What's going on?
Yeah, it was a cool idea to steal from her like that.
What? Where are all my chips? Guys, did you steal all my chips? That's not fair. You'll get it from me now. Don't run away. You have to have your punishment. Stop. Where is my portion? I don't see anything. It looks like I didn't get anything. And I have a delicious burger. Oh, how glad I am. Oh, wow. Kevin, you're lucky.
Really? That's a burger. That's what I mean by delicious, juicy burger.
It smells so good.
My pretty one, my delicious one, so soft.
Hey, Kevin! Let's see what's inside.
Oh, yeah. What a heavy bun.
Oh, come on, Kevin, you can do it!
Just a little more. What is it? What a nightmare.
What?
Help me! Was it a dream? It was a dream. Did I talk in my sleep? Let's see what's inside the burger, although.
I'm a little uneasy. It seems to be nothing unusual.
But let me try this juicy meat. It's so delicious.
I don't still see anything. Oh, let me take my new glasses. And see if I got something in there. Oh, there is a burger, but it's so tiny I can't even see it with my eyes. Let's try with tweezers. Delicious, but so little. I didn't even have time to enjoy it. What about the others? Oh yeah, it's time to eat. I'll add some ketchup to make it taste even better. Like that. Oh yeah. I'm so hungry. Okay, I'll take a piece and she won't even notice. Ouch! Hands off. You've already eaten your burger. And I'll add a little mustard as well. It'll be even better. Emily, I'm tired of you already. Take it. You'll never want to take someone else's food again. Come on, get away. Finally, it's just the two of us with burger. Let's try. Amazing. I'll eat it all in less than a minute. Oh, so good. What is it? Kevin? It's so disgusting. My appetite is gone. Ugh.
Oh, wow. It seems that I should have been greedy and eaten everything myself. Oh, I feel so bad.